Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna walk you through what is TikTok creator place, how you can make money, how much money you could make, and is it really worth it. Let's launch the TikTok app and let's go to the lower right corner, then go all the way up to the three straight lines in the upper right, then click on creator tools. Now guys, we click over here on monetization tab and we come to the first option, which is creator marketplace. Essentially over here guys, you are going to put yourself for grab for partnerships and deals between you and brands, you and businesses. First thing, you want to go through the eligibility criteria. In this example over here, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have 10,000 real followers, guys. Obviously TikTok improved the algorithm, so now people who are buying followers can no longer do so. The third option, of course, is that you should have at least 3 videos posted for the last 30 days. They want to target real people because the bots, simply could create account and not have any content published. The next requirement is to have at least 1,000 real video views or more in the last 30 days. So I think that's very, very easy to achieve. The last is, of course, that your content should follow the guidance from TikTok, the guidance from the community. Is it worth it? Well, I have a second channel with over 70,000 followers. I received 2 brand deals over there. One was from the jewelry store, like a handmade small craftsman. They offered me $400. I agree, but nothing happened, right? The deal expired without the store sending me the goods. The store is supposed to send me the goods and I should take a picture or small video and publish it with a small link to the product. Nothing happened. They didn't send me anything. I believe the way how the whole marketplace is structured, it's not perfect, simply because no one is following up from TikTok. No one is putting timeframes between when I receive the offer. Like, for example, they don't have a time frame until the seller should ship the product, and there is no tracking system to see what is the next step, right? Everything is very random. Everything is essentially based on what the both parties agreed upon, and no one checks anything. So I couldn't say that this is the best way to make money. I couldn't say that's the worst way either. But I would say that there are a lot of companies, a lot of brands that are running like a small tournaments. For example, if you want to participate, sometimes the actual reward could be like a $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 for creating or editing a content or creating a small like a commercial for something. I mean, if you are a video editor, if you are choreographer, if you create content for others, if you have a small social media marketing agency, probably this could be a way for you to put your company or your team on the map, so you can do stuff for someone. You can probably find somebody that you can sign up a long-term partnership, and you don't have to worry about. If somebody likes you, they can purchase a package, so you can make every month one commercial or every week one commercial, so you can secure a big bag. But aside from that, waiting for a random brand deals, I think it's not the best way to make money on TikTok. You want to make sure check my other videos on the topic how to make much more money, much easier on the TikTok platform. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.